In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for BambooHR ATS. By the end, you'll have your account created, ATS enabled, and your first job post ready to share. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to BambooHR.com. On the home page, look for the options to get a free trial or get a demo. The free trial lets you explore the product hands-on, including the Applicant Tracking System. The demo connects you with the BambooHR team for a guided overview. Choose the path that fits how you like to evaluate software and click to continue. You'll see a sign-up form. Enter your full name, your business email, your company name, your employee count, and your role. Using a company email helps with verification and access to all features. When everything looks correct, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked what you want to use BambooHR for. Make sure you select Hiring and ATS, since that's the focus of this setup. If you plan to centralize HR later, you can also choose employee management, time tracking, payroll, or onboarding, but those are optional. Click Continue to proceed. Now create your account. Choose a unique subdomain, something like yourcompany.bamboohr.com. This becomes your team's login address, so keep it short, memorable, and aligned with your company name. Set a strong password you'll remember, and then click Create Account. You may be prompted later to verify your email, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once inside your dashboard, enable the ATS. Click the gear icon to open settings, select hiring, then go to job openings. Turn on the applicant tracking system. This unlocks the candidate pipeline and job posting tools you'll use every day. Set up your hiring pipeline so it matches how your team works. Go to hiring, then hiring settings, and tailor the stages. Common stages include new applicant, screening, interview, offer, and hired. You can adjust names in order so your team always knows the next step. Add your hiring team members so they can collaborate. Go to People and choose Add Employee. Assign roles like hiring manager, recruiter, or interviewer, and grant ATS permissions appropriate to their responsibilities. This ensures people see what they need without exposing unrelated HR data. Create your first job post. In hiring, click Create New Job Opening. Enter the job title, a clear description, the location, department, and optionally a salary range. Keep the description concise and inclusive, focusing on must-have qualifications. When it's ready, click Publish. Finally, share your job. BambooHR can post to Indeed and Glassdoor, and it connects to LinkedIn through a paid integration. You can also publish to your company website. Choose Post Job to publish directly, or Get Job Link to share the URL anywhere your candidates are, and that's your full setup for BambooHR ATS. From sign up to your first live